What are flexible grid layouts?
The flexible grid layouts are design structures that use rows and columns, allowing website content to adjust smoothly across devices. Unlike fixed layouts, flexible grids dynamically scale according to screen size, offering a seamless experience on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. By using CSS, developers ensure that text, images, and components remain organized and accessible no matter how users resize their browsers.
Key concepts: fluidity and responsiveness.
The core principles behind flexible grids are fluidity and responsiveness. Fluid grids use relative units like percentages rather than fixed pixel widths, enabling elements to stretch or shrink as the viewport changes. Responsive design complements this by applying media queries in CSS. Together, these techniques help sites look great on any device, from large monitors to tiny smartphone screens.
Creating flexible grids with CSS.
You can build flexible grids in CSS using properties like display grid or display flex. By defining columns and rows with fractional units, or by setting flex values, parts of your layout expand or contract automatically. Percentage-based widths on containers and items also help maintain proportional spacing and alignment, adapting fluidly as the browser window changes.
Media queries adapting to every screen.
Media queries in CSS allow you to tweak layouts based on screen width, orientation, or other features. For instance, you might have 3 columns on desktops, but stack them vertically on mobile devices. With breakpoints and targeted rules, media queries ensure grids always look organized and user-friendly, no matter where your website is viewed.
Benefits of using flexible grids.
Implementing flexible grids brings several advantages. Accessibility improves, since content remains readable and easy to navigate. Visitors enjoy a consistent look and feel on every device. Development time decreases, because one adaptable design fits all platforms. Ultimately, flexible grid layouts empower you to build modern, resilient websites that keep up with constantly changing technology trends.